Pure adrenaline on two wheels. The 2026 BMW S1000RR takes Superbike performance to absolutely insane levels, combining German engineering precision with face-melting speed. This is Next Gen Reviews, and we're about to explore why this machine continues to set the standard in the leader bike category. Design. The S1000RR remains instantly recognizable with those asymmetric headlights and aggressive aerodynamic winglets. Every surface has been optimized for airflow and downforce at speed. The compact dimensions hide the beast underneath, while premium materials and flawless build quality showcase BMW's commitment to excellence. Carbon fiber components reduce weight without sacrificing strength. This bike looks fast standing still. Performance. The 999cc inline-4 engine is an absolute monster, producing mind-bending horsepower with relentless acceleration. Power delivery can be smooth and manageable or absolutely savage, depending on your chosen mode. The chassis is telepathic, responding instantly to rider input with laser-focused precision. Track-developed suspension provides exceptional feedback and control. Braking power is simply phenomenal, hauling down from triple-digit speeds effortlessly. Features and technology. BMW loaded the S1000RR with cutting-edge electronics. Dynamic traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, and launch control work seamlessly together. 6 riding modes transform the bike's character instantly. The quick shifter is lightning fast in both directions. The TFT display integrates smartphone connectivity and track telemetry. Optional cruise control and heated grips add everyday usability. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW S1000RR remains the ultimate superbike benchmark. Could this be your dream machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share with fellow speed enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Hit that notification bell.